I'll record this session now, then start the demonstration of the Google site. So first things first is, of course, proceed to the sites.google.com. That's the first thing that you need to do. Okay, then create, bakit Tagalog? Blank. Okay. And then what we'll do is to skip this tour, create a mock-up, co-ed mock-up website. Okay, that's the first thing that we need to do. Now, if you want to change the logo, let's just later we'll proceed to that. Okay, let's just have that because we'll see that on the settings. Okay, so ano muna, nothing overwhelming here. Okay, wala pang info overload. So pumunta lang tayo sa sites.google.com. Then kinlik natin yung blank. Then we have this page already. Okay. Then once we have this page, I change the name to co-ed mockup website. Okay. So very easy to follow. Then let's change the title of this one to Polytechnic University of the Philippines College. First, College of Education. So there, I changed the name to PUP College of Education. Ganito natin. I-block natin para madaling tingnan. So there. Okay. So proceed to Google site, then change the name, co-ed mockup website, then PUP College of Education. All right, so that's the few steps that we need to follow. Okay, so far so good, class. Can you give me a thumbs up? Very easy to follow, right? Proceed to sites.google.com, click blank, change the name, then change the title. Okay, now once we have that, let's establish it. Let's change first the header. Okay, palitan mo around, you upload here the Google site resources that we have. So let's have this one, okay, as a cover page of our. So of course you can update the font, you can change it to whatever font you want. So let's bold, okay. So there. So ito lang yung laman ng ating website. Now we need to publish it so that we can access it on our mobile phone anywhere that has a browser already. So i-publish lang natin. Then here's what you need to do. In the customized address web, we need to be very specific so that it will be easy for me to check it. So what I advise you to create as the URL of this site, even though it's a co-ed mockup website, since this is for the purpose of your midterm activity only, I opted to change the URL to your first and last name and the year this year. So for example, your name is Mary Grace Cruz. There, Mary Grace Cruz. That's your first name and last name. Kung John Mark yung pangalan mo, hindi pwedeng John Cruz. Dapat John Mark Cruz. Okay? Kung dalawa yung first name mo, yung dalawang first name ilalagay mo. Mary Grace Cruz, 2022. So this is an example, okay, of a URL. So again, after I establish the site, I could just click the publish, then change the URL to your first name and last name, and the 2022. So if your name is Mary Grace Cruz 2022, then let's publish it. Okay, now once we have that, we can, this is how you view the mockup website that we created. Okay. All right, so just a moment. So, cross out lang natin siya. Then, if you want to access the website that we created, sites.google/view/Mary Grace Cruz 2022. So there, that is already the website that we can create. Now, if you have a smartphone with a browser, can you please type in there the sites.google.com/view/Mary Grace Cruz 2022 as our example, just to check if you can access it on your phone. Then open your webcam, then show it to me, class. Pwede nyo siyang i-access sa
Sir, ano po
incognito.
ulit yung Google, ay yung
Okay,
parang
so
site?
sites.google, ita-type ko sa chat box, class. Yes. Ito na. Already. So yan. sites.google.com/view/Mary Grace Cruz 2022.
Sir, kita po.
All right. So everyone should have this site already on your mobile. Okay, so that is the website, the mock-up website of the College of Education that we created. So we have it established already and published. Now, since that's a very long URL, and you might, type nyo pa sites.google.com/view/ Now, here is an easy way for you to access it. Okay? Now, I know, so syempre, hindi ka na makukuha ng browser, then type mo to. Pero for easy access to everyone, we can customize it even more. That's why we proceed to tinyurl.com. Okay, there. So let's paste here the sites.google/view/Mary Grace Cruz. Then we type in here a keyword that is easy for us to remember. So of course, again, instead of typing sites.google.com, itatype lang natin tinyurl.com/ then Mary Grace Cruz 2022. So, of course, hindi nyo naman makakalimutan, class, yung first name and last name yun and 2022, di ba? So, make a tiny URL. Okay, now, whenever we type a www.tinyurl.com/ your first name, your surname, and the year 2022, then enter, we will always be landed on the mock website that we created. Okay? On the Google site. So kayo, class, ang gagawin nyo is aside from the customized URL sa Google site, you will also, visit the website tinyurl.com, then type there your first name, last name, and 2022. Kasi pag mag-check ako, hindi nyo na isa-submit to class. Walang submission to. Pag sa deadline, i-check ko lang to by simply typing your first name, last name, and the year. Then I'll enter. Then I'll check it. Okay? So, ganun lang yung way ko para ma-checkan to. tinyurl.com ako magbe-base. Question, sir, paano kapag hindi na available yung URL na, let's say, John Cruz 2022, di ba? Common. So, ang gawin nyo lang, instead of 2022, dagdagan nyo pa ng isa pang 2. So, 2022, 2. Hindi pa rin available. 2022, 2. 2022, 2. Which is impossible na hindi available yon. Okay? So, ano lang yon, just in case na hindi available. Pero I'm 100% sure that it is available. Okay? So, nandun na tayo. We already established on how to access our mock-up website. So, of course, kailangan nyo ng Google account. So, given na yon. Okay? Next is yun nga, sites.google.com. Then we are landed in this particular page here, the mock-up website of the College of Education. By the way, this is your activity. Gagawa kayo ng mock-up website ng College of Education. So ano yung mga included sa mock-up website na yun? Here. One moment, tinyurl.com/ I'm visiting another site. Okay, now let's add content to our site. So of course, since this is the College of Education site, there are 3 departments so far, 3 main department in the College of Education, which is the Department of Library Information Science, so DLIS, the DESED, Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, and our department, Department of Business Teachers Education. Okay, so those are the 3 departments under the College of Education. So for us to create content to that, we'll just, of course, proceed to here. This are the content. So let's choose these 3 images here. Okay. Now, once we have those 3 images, this one, we'll put here the 3 departments, the DLIS, the Department of Library and Information Science. Okay. Next is the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education. Next is the Department of Business Teacher Education, or DBT. Now, since I already have put some resources here, I will just simply click this add button and upload since that is about library information science. So I choose the icon or an image file that will represent that. So same with here, secondary, elementary, then the DBTE. Okay. And then, of course, we need to put a link to that so that we can be able to access it. Pag kinlik nyo yung DLIS, mapupunta ka sa page ng DLIS. Pag kinlik mo to, same. Okay? So we need to put a link to another page to that. That's where we'll check this tab here, then click this plus, then add a new page. So just click this. Okay, nothing complicated here. You'll just click the tab, then click this plus button here. Then the name of the department. So the Department of Library and Information Science. Okay, now we have another tab for the DLIS. So, ano natin? I-block natin. So, it's up to you again to change the font, etc. Okay, this is the home. And kung masakit sa mata yung yung home na hindi all caps, pwede naman natin palitan yan. Home lang, home page. Okay, so then ito, palitan natin ng pangalan kung gusto nyo. So there. So meron na tayong dalawang tab. Now, so syempre, pag kinlik to, mapupunta tayo sa page na to, di ba? So double click nyo lang siya, this home page, 1, 2, then you'll see this, okay? Maglagay ng link, then pag kinlik nyo yung link, pwede kayo maglagay ng page outside this URL, or you can just simply click this. Yan. Ilapat or put. So yon. Meron na tayong link pag pin-review natin siya, ito yung preview. This will be our page already. Now, if we click this, so we will be landed on the tab of the Department of Library and Information Sciences. And we will do the same thing to the other departments. Okay? Para di na tayo mag-type, copy na lang natin to. Same. Paste. Done. Maya na natin ayusin yan. Proceed to home page. Then copy this. Then another page. Done. Okay. Then proceed to home page. Again, double click na lang dito. One click. And this will show up. Another click. This will show up. So, automatic na siya. Yung link, hanapin nyo lang yung said, then done. Same thing here. 1, 2. Click this. And the DBTE. Done. Now, if we want to preview this, we'll now have this page that we have. And we click this, proceed to that. Okay, so home page again. Then here. So same. Okay, so close na natin yung preview. We can also preview it on our mobile phone. What will be the mobile phone version of this? So this one. Okay. So since hindi pa siya i-publish muna natin siya para ma-save yung ginawa natin. Okay, ma-update. So publish. Okay. So now let's check our browser again. Let's go back to our phones and just refresh the tinyurl.com/MaryGraceCruise2022 and you will see the update of the mock site that we created. Okay. Does the changes reflect already, class, on your
Yes po.
browser? All right.
Yes po.
So far so good, class. Can you follow? So nothing overwhelming yet, right? Can you give me a thumbs up, class? All right. So very straightforward process naman to, class. So now let's go back to our workstation page where we have 3 resources, class, that we need to embed, okay, integrate on our mock-up website of COED. First website is of course the pup.edu.ph, okay? PUP. Yeah. So website ng PUP. Next is the Facebook. Okay, Facebook account of PUP. Iano ko lang class. Ilagin ko lang yung mga account necessary. Ano lang 'yan? PUP website, Facebook page ng COED, and YouTube account ng COED. Though unofficial 'yon. Yung Facebook account official, yung YouTube unofficial. So let me just log in the Facebook and the YouTube. Just a second. Okay, ito na. COED, PUP COED. PUP College of Education. Okay, share again. So we are now here. So let us add new link here. Okay, so just click the new link, and so let's say this page. This is the official College of Education Facebook page, right? So let's integrate those three. Okay. Copy. New link. Yan. Then PUP COED FB page. Done. So we have here now the tab. So preview natin. Naka-mobile siya. Pwede naman siya. Ganyan. Tapos COED FB page. Yan. Mapupunta siya sa COED page. Pag ito naman, COED FB page. Proceed. So there. Close the preview by clicking this. Then let's do the same with YouTube. So ito class, this is the unofficial YouTube page of the College of Education. Random siya, totally random. PUP College of Education random video collection. So isa lang naman yung video na nandun. We'll just use this as the YouTube page of that we will link to the website. So copy the link of that page, then click this again, then new link, paste the page, then COED YouTube page. YT na lang. Then next is the pup.edu.ph PUP website. Done. Let's preview this. So we have YouTube, FB, and PUP website. So if you click that, you will be redirected to those. Okay, so now we have that. What are those included pa ba sa ating website? So we need to include faculty members. Okay? So ito yung mga lalagyan nyo ng content class. Okay? Faculty members. Ano lang to? Sample. College of Education faculty members. Bagong page siya. Bagong page. new page yung i-click nyo ka. So when we click this, we have four options actually. Another section, but dito lang tayo mag-focus. So link at saka bagong page. Bagong page, new page, and new link. Okay, so click the new page here. Then faculty members. Done. So if you want to align this based on the tab at the top of our page, you can just simply click and hold it, then drag it. So home page, let's put the, pwede rin siyang sa baba niya, pwede rin sa taas ito. So home page, faculty members, then the 3 departments. Ano muna, yung 3 department muna after ng home page. Yeah. Then faculty members, website, yung mga pages. Okay? Now let's add content to these faculty members. We can just simply put the video here, the video link of this one. Okay, copy this in our unofficial YouTube page. Then since we don't have content this yet, to add content class, you can just simply, yun, dalawang click nyo lang. Yung mga option na to, same we did niyan sa option na nandito. Okay? So dalawang click lang. 1, 2, then you have this. Then of course, let's embed the URL of that video. And put. We can adjust it. There. So we have now the faculty roster of the, so there, we already have a little bit of content. Then here's the thing class. Magdagdag ng footer, add footer on the page that we have. Now for us to add footer, let's use the format of the PUP website. So balik kayo sa PUP website. Then close nyo to. Kokopy natin yung footer ng ito. Copy nyo to. Then paste nyo sa footer. Now, yung copyright at 2022 ilagay nyo. 2022 Polytechnic University of the Philippines, College of Education. College of Education mock-up website. Tapos dash, then your initial. So GLR. Gino LRS. Okay. So lahat kayo dapat class may ganyan na. So center natin siya. Yeah. So that is our footer to all of us. At 2002 PUP, College of Education mock-up website, then dash your initial. So yun, this is the content in our faculty members. Now we will add another page. Let's add another page again, which is the extension services. Of course, College of Education have extension services or our service to the community. So let's add that tab on our site again. New page, which is the extension. Okay, extension program that we have. Extension services na lang para more specific. Then done. And this is another tab, the extension services. So ayusin lang natin. Now, if you want to add content to that, again, double click nyo lang to. Then image. Or ito na lang gamitin natin. Itong content na to. So here are the block content. It depends on the picture that you will add. Okay, so let's add. So I already have resources here. Ating extension service ay ating COLC or Community Outreach Learning Center. That is around since 1988. 1988 to 2019. Ayan. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng caption dito. So, Community Outreach Learning Center Students. Then, click dito, caption, COLC. Students, UN event. Yeah. Choose your desired font, etc. Okay, color black. Dito lang natin, 12. Same. 12. Black. Okay, so you get the idea. Yeah, we already have now content. So pag ito, di naman natin gagamitin, i-click nyo lang siya, then delete. Okay, click, delete. Yeah, very straightforward. So we have the footer again. So we have the extension services na. Now let's add another page, which is the research. The research output or endeavor of the College of Education Research. Now we have this. So let's add content. Maglagay ng yeah, let's add another picture here. So may mga ano na tayong resources dito. So for example, this one, research ng co-ed, ano yung mga research evidences, event for the previous month. So we can add another image here. That's mas madali kapag dito na lang. Okay, now pwede natin i-delete. Pwede natin i-delete to. So add, upload, let's say this one. So it's up to you. Drag and drop lang naman siya. Yan, research. Delete. Delete. Yan. If you want to add caption here, okay. Mimaro pa benchmarking something. Then ito, co-ed faculty members. Research group. Sample lang. Then let's add text in here. So there we can add the text. You can also drag it here if you want to put caption somewhere. So co-ed research. Core group. Sample lang to. Yeah. Center. There. So change font if you want. Here's the picture. So we have now content and our research. So here are the tabs. So i-preview natin yung website na ginawa natin. So this, we have now the home page, of course. Then we have this side. Wala pa siyang content. Okay. Then home page again. Then here. Now, here are the tabs that we created. The faculty members. Okay, so we have now that video. the research. Okay, we have now the extension services. Okay, we have it also, and the footer, it's displayed already. Now here, class, before I proceed to the next thing that we will do, i-publish muna natin. Ano lang to, save natin para mag-reflect na siya sa ating URL. So, publish. Okay? So, before we proceed to the next part, can you give me a thumbs up, class, if everything is smooth? All right.
Sir,
Hi, yes?
sir, lahat po nalagyan ng content, yung mga Department
Yes.
of Library.
Oo.
Okay po.
Yes, talagyan niyo siya ng content, class. Yung resources niyo is I will give you a Google Drive containing the resources that necessary. Okay? Kayo nang bahalang of course, incorporate nun sa mock-up website niyo. And you can also use the PP website, the Facebook page of COED, okay? The pictures in your Google search, okay? So it's up to you to add content, okay, on those different types of resources. For design-wise, class, you can use the later I'll demonstrate the site where you can get those for aesthetic purposes. Okay, now I'm just checking here on my phone if it is working before I proceed to the next step. Okay. Okay, now here's another thing, class, to differentiate what you created among others. So let's use this settings button here. Okay. Now, what you will do is to click this. Okay, yung brand. So, yung logo, ang i-upload yung logo is of course the COED logo. So that's what will display on the upper right corner, upper left corner of your website. Then another thing is yung favicon. Favicon is what you will see displayed on your browser icon tab. So if you click this, so what I will ask you to do is to use the favicon, which is your picture. Pwede yung selfie or picture, basta picture nyo. Okay, so for example, this one. Yeah. So once you have that, close nyo lang siya. Auto-save naman siya. So click nyo siya. Then, i-ano natin. Hanapin natin. tinyurl.com Mary Grace Cruz 2022. Okay, bakit hindi nag-reflect ang aking favicon? Ano lang siya. Glitch lang siya. Mamaya magre-reflect yan. Okay. So there, class, that's the last step that I will ask you to click this, the settings, then the brand representation, add the logo, and add your favicon picture. So that, ito yung favicon, class, yung nandito, di ba, sa PP website. PP logo nandito. Then Facebook logo. So mangyayari dito sa icon na to is yung magiging ano nyo, yung picture nyo. Okay, for me to of course easily check your work. So that's the last step on creating. Now I'll explain the rubric on how you will be graded. Okay, so 40% content, 30% is the accuracy, then another 30% is proficiency. So ano ba yung content? Of course, 40% is what you will put here in different tabs. So for example, in the DSED, what is the DLIS all about? So type nyo lang dito, then possible you add different types of media, okay, that will necessary and relevant to the Department of DLIS, and do the same thing to the rest of the department. Then research, you add another content aside from what I put there. Then the faculty members, aside from the video that on the content, you also need to add different faculty members, who is the chairperson, who is the associate dean, and the dean. Okay, so those things. So kayo nang bahala maglagay ng content doon. So aside from content, 30% is yung accuracy. 30% accuracy, meaning you followed what I asked you to do. Okay? Kapag nag-type ako ng tinyurl.com, then hindi ko ma-search yung pangalan nyo kasi hindi kayo gumamit ng tinyurl. So that is, of course, minus on the accuracy because you didn't follow that I asked you to use the tinyurl for easy access of your website. So kahit saan ka, kahit nasa smart TV ka, may smart TV kayo, di ba, sa bahay nyo, click nyo lang yung smart TV, then may browser naman yun. Type mo yung tinyurl.com/ your first name, Jocelyn Fernandez 2092, then doon mo makikita mo na doon kahit sa ang platform, basta may browser, yung mock-up website na ginawa nyo. Okay? So yun yung accuracy. Another thing under accuracy is, of course, yung co-ed mock-up website, yung content nung ginawa nyo. Okay? So, dapat is sa College of Education. Okay? Hindi yung about sa ibang school or ibang website. So, dapat PP co-ed. Then, yung proficiency naman is, of course, the aesthetics, the function, okay, for proficiency, how you did utilize the sites. Okay. So, pwedeng, let's say, for some reason, instead of PUP College of Education website yung pinagawa ko sa inyo, ang ginawa nyo is maybe website ng office nyo, or mock-up site ng office nyo, then yun yung sinubmit nyo. Then, ang ganda, sobrang ganda. So, perfect na to. So, maybe 30/30 siya sa proficiency. Kasi aesthetic-wise, function-wise, it is very good. Okay, excellent. But for accuracy, pwedeng ka lang doon, 14/30. Kasi, hindi mo sinunod yung instruction, which is, I asked you about the College of Education, pero ginawa mo, ibang website. So mataas ka sa proficiency kasi ang ganda ng website, pero mababa ka sa accuracy kasi you didn't follow the instruction. So 14/30 ka. So borderline bagsak, pero hindi naman zero. Okay? So that's just the criteria on your midterm activity. 30%, 40% content, 30% accuracy, 30% is, of course, proficiency. Now, for your reference, you can always visit this website here, the tinyurl.com/marygrace2022, so that you can use that as reference kung ano yung mga tabs na gagamitin, okay, ano yung mga included. So ito, gantong class, gantong yung laman lang, pero kayo nang bahala mag-design. Palitan nyo tong background, mas fit sa College of Education. Pwede yung College of Education logo dun sa mismong North Wing, di ba? Facing the lagoon, yung co-ed office. Pwede yung ganun yung picture. Pwede nyo include yung mukha nyo. So it's up to you to navigate, to design your mock-up website of the co-ed. Okay, another thing pala na pwede nating i-include. For example, dito sa faculty members. Meron ako dito nakita tool na maganda. Ito. Ito, class. Maganda tong carousel na to. Carousel ng mga larawan. You just need to add, upload pictures. Ito yung sample ko. Sample lang to, class. For example, ito yung mga faculty members ng COED. Gusto mong gumawa ng slideshow. So let's add this. Yan. So COED faculty members at work. So yan. Then done. Then yan yung image carousel. Dito button naman, if you want to, let's back to home page or click here for motivation. Yan. Button lang yan. Then link nyo, pwede yung search na dito, alpha affirmation. And extreme confidence. Click here. Ito yung mga different, click mo. Then, yeah. So you can add here a lot of things. Yeah. Click here for motivation. Preview natin. Faculty members. Yan. Ito yung slideshow ng mga pictures. Then pag kinlik tong click here for motivation, proceed ka dito. Pakinggan nyo to, class. Pag nakawalan kayo ng gana, you'll feel like godlike after hearing this. It's like a motivational chant, affirmation. Yeah. Basta you can add those things here to add content to your pages. Okay, so there, class, that's how you create content on your College of Education mock-up website using Google Sites. Very easy, right? So in under an hour, I'm able to demonstrate to you the basic functions of Google Site and how to access it. That's very important, so you won't get lost. How to use the tiny URL to customize the URL so you can access it anywhere that has browser. And the different tabs that is included on your midterm activity. And the 3 websites that should be integrated on your mock-up website, which is the COED YouTube page, the PUP website, and the COED official Facebook page. So those things should be integrated on your mock-up website. So do you have any questions, class? Deadline? The deadline is, so you have a lot of time to do it. Deadline is exactly 2 weeks from now, 9 p.m. of June 21. Okay, so most of the time might be spent stalking the Facebook page of College for Education and checking the website for organizational chart, who is the current people or chairperson of different departments. So yun, class, yun yung mga time-consuming sa part na gagawin. Okay? So far, so good, class. Can you give me a thumbs up if you can follow everything? All right, very good. Very easy naman to understand it. Kapag gusto niyo lang, ano nga ulit yung gagawin ko? Isipin niyo lang si Mary Grace Cruz 2022. Okay, type niyo lang sa cellphone niyo. tinyurl.com/marygrace2022. Then ganun dapat ulit yung URL na gagawin nyo class. Dapat specific sa inyo. So pag si Princess Bridget Bonyor 2022, though mahaba yung URL na yun, imposible namang makalimutan niyo yun. First name niya, then last name niya, then lalagyan niya ng 2022. So it's impossible for her to forget that, even though it's a very long URL. Kasi first and last name mo yun eh. So yun lang. That's just how you do it. So if you don't have any more question, class, you know the drill. After this recording, I'll upload this somewhere and give you the link so you can review it. Okay? So if you don't have any question, let's now open our webcam and take a documentation screenshot. And let's choose the video filter of this one, the professor hat. Yung mga naka-mobile, later, I'll give you the icon that you will follow. Okay, so give me this cup, class, the Peaky Blinders cup. For those who are using desktop, laptop. You know, class, dapat ginagamit natin yung mga features ng mga software na ginagamit natin. Hindi nyo alam kung paano i-access? Click the three button on the upper right corner of your video plate. So beside the mute button, there's 3 dots there. Okay, now once you click that, hover your mouse to the choose video filter. Then choose video filters. Scroll down, you'll see the beret. So it's called beret. Okay, perfect. So there. Patricia, can you find it?
Wala, sir. Hindi ko po makita.
Ano lang yung meron dyan? Yung
Wala,
graduation
sir, yung
hat?
ano yung 3 dots. Wala siya.
Talaga? Okay, sige. Yung mga walang icon, ano na lang. Jocelyn, baka gusto mong pakita sa amin? Namimiss ka na namin. Rona?
Sir, mahina po yung signal pag naka-open cam.
Oo nga naman. Sige. Buti umina na yung ulan. Kanina talaga ang lakas, class. So, abot tanaw lang dito yung Pasig River. Pero kapag kanina, hindi mo makita yung Pasig River. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Pero mga 1 hour lang. Okay. So, for those who don't have the video filters, just choose the tada icon or the confetti. Okay. Then smile. Then I'll take the screenshot. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay. So that's all for today. Just wait for the video recordings. I'll upload it first and give it to you. Okay, goodbye everyone.
Thank you
Bye,
po.
sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Bye po, sir. Thank you po.
sir.
Welcome. Goodbye. Thank you, Dan.